Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Zero Charge. मेरा नाम है अंकित and in today's video we'll unbox Agaro's newly launched digital coffee maker. The product that I'm talking about is Agaro's drip coffee maker. So let's unbox and review this product and देखते हैं ये कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. वीडियो को प्लीज एंड तक देखिएगा एंड अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो भी कर लीजिए. So inside the box we get one user manual. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, one coffee spoon, one borosilicate kettle, and this is the main unit, which is Agaro Drip Coffee Maker. You can see how portable and advanced it looks. This is a 1050 watt coffee maker. The outer body is made of ABS plastic. On the front side we get a digital control panel which we will check in some time. On the top side there is a lid which you can open. Here you get one reusable coffee filter. From these nozzles the hot water gets sprayed. From here you can add 12 cups of water. On the right side of the coffee maker you can see the water level indicator. This coffee maker comes with so many options, so let's see and test all of them one by one. So I will first add water. So I have added 2 spoons for 2 cups of coffee. Use only coarse or grounded coffee. Now I will close the lid. So I have turned on the coffee maker and you can see how the digital panel looks. Let's check each option one by one. Alright, so first option is bold. In this you can make hot coffee. Under bold you can select further 3 options, that is classic, intense and rich, depending on how strong you want your coffee. So right now there is only one icon which means it is classic flavor. I will press the bold button again. Now you can see 2 icons which means intense. Again I will press and now there are 3 bold options which means rich coffee. So depending on how strong you want the coffee you can select the right option. I can also select the temperature as low, medium and high depending on how hot I want the coffee. From here I can select the number of cups, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and accordingly. So let's make some coffee now and see how it performs. So I have selected coffee mode as rich and I have set the temperature as high and number of cups as 2, and now I will start the coffee maker. So water has started to boil and I can see that coffee is brewing right now. This machine is almost noiseless. Alright, so coffee is ready within just 5 minutes. So let's pour some hot cup of coffee. You can see how easy it was making coffee. Alright, so let's set the timer. Let me click on time button. So current time is 11:13. And now I will press the minutes. So now the clock is set for this coffee maker. There is also an auto option. With this you can easily schedule your coffee. So you need to put coffee powder and water in advance and your coffee will be ready by the set time. So currently it is 11:18. Let me set the auto timer. So I have set the auto timer as 11:19. And I can select the temperature as high, medium or low and number of cups of coffee. And now automatically at 11:19 coffee making should start. So I have not touched the power button and automatically at 11:19 coffee extraction has begun. So you can easily schedule your morning coffee and once the extraction is completed, the machine will keep the coffee warm for 40 minutes. The extraction of the coffee happens at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius so that you can get the best flavors from the coffee. So your morning coffee is ready now. You can also make cappuccino by adding milk into the coffee. So now let's make some iced coffee. I will select the ice mode. You can see that the ice mode is selected. And now I can select the intensity of the coffee as classic, intense and rich. So now let me turn it on. In ice mode, the inbuilt heater will not work and you can make up to 7 cups of coffee. Alright, so iced coffee is ready now. Let me pour it. So your perfect cup of iced coffee is ready now. To clean this coffee maker, I will remove the borosilicate kettle and wash it. I will open this lid and remove the coffee filter and wash it. So I have washed this filter with mild soap and now I will install it back and close the lid. I have also washed this kettle with mild soap and sponge and you can see that how clean it looks. So now I will install it back and now your coffee maker is ready to use again. This coffee maker provides you with a lot of options and customization and once you start using it, you will love it as well. I hope आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो नगारो का फैंटास्टिक ड्रिप कॉफी मेकर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया होगा लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं. With that note, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. Jai Hind.